Is exactly why you're struggling to make friends in English.
Wait, what? Are you saying my greeting is the problem?
Yes. Today we're fixing your social English so you can connect with anyone instantly.
I'm ready. I'm tired of those awkward silences.
Lesson 1, Stop relying on, how are you? It's a conversation killer with strangers.
But that's the first thing I learned in school.
It's too formal. Try a contextual opener like, so, how do you know the host?
Oh, so I should talk about what's happening around us?
Exactly. If you're at a cafe, say, I haven't tried the latte here, is it good?
That feels way more natural than just saying hello.
Right. Now, lesson 2, use the echo technique to keep them talking.
The echo technique? Do I just repeat what they say?
Kind of. Repeat the last 2 or 3 words they said with a questioning tone.
Give me an example. If I say, I just moved here from New York.
I'd say, from New York, and then you'll naturally explain more.
Wow, that takes the pressure off me to think of new questions.
Exactly. It shows you're listening and encourages them to open up.
I love that. What's the third tip? The most valuable one?
Lesson 3, the smooth exit. Don't just walk away when the talk ends.
I usually just say bye and run because I'm nervous.
No. Say, it was great chatting with you, let's catch up again soon.
Is catch up the secret phrase there?
Yes. It implies a future friendship. It's very friendly and low pressure.
Can we try putting all of this into a real conversation?
Let's do it. Imagine we're at a mutual friend's birthday party.
Okay, I'll start. Hey, have you tried this birthday cake yet?
Not yet, but it looks delicious. I'm Mark, by the way.
I'm Sarah. So, how do you know the birthday boy?
We actually went to university together back in Chicago.
Back in Chicago?
Yeah. I lived there for 5 years before moving here for work.
That's cool. I've always wanted to visit the Windy City.
You definitely should. It's great in the summer.
Well, Mark, it was great chatting with you. I'm going to grab a drink.
Nice meeting you too, Sarah.
Wait. I forgot the smooth exit. Let's catch up again later.
Perfect. You nailed it that time.
That felt so much better than my usual hi, how are you? Bye.
Now, it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat after me.
Say this out loud, so, what brings you here today?
Great. Now comment challenge if you're going to use this tomorrow.
I'm definitely commenting. Let's recap quickly.
1. Use contextual openers. 2. Use the echo technique. 3. Use the smooth exit.
3 simple steps to go from a stranger to a friend.
You're going to be a social superstar in no time.
Thanks for the tips. I feel much more confident now.
Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every day.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you tomorrow.